It's St. Patrick's Day, and each year I cook for my family a traditional Irish meal. Usually I cook colcannon and Dublin coddle, but this year I'm going to make some special Irish biscuits as well. In honour of St. Patrick's Day, we're going to be making some Irish cookies. I've got this lovely Shamrock cookie cutter, and I'm going to make a dough, roll it out, and then cut it into cookies this shape. So that should be rather good. Do you think I should make them green? Might make some green and some just sort of cookie colour. So let's go. Got a very simple cookie recipe here, and basically you take all these ingredients and you mix them together. And this is egg white, so I'm just going to do normal whole eggs. I don't think it'll make too much of a difference. So I'm going to measure out all my quantities now. First off, we start with 454 grams of margarine. I've got my scale. Take that one off. Don't want to mess that up too much. $61, 126, 200. So twice as much now. 327, 382. Come on. 445, nearly there. 461. So I'll take a little bit out. 458. Tiny little bit more. 454. Pop that. Now we need 262 grams of sugar, and it's precise measurements. Hopefully I've got enough sugar, because we don't really have sugar in our house anymore. We bought some of this the other day for Pancake Day. Oops. 265. It's a little bit extra. 544 grams of flour. 497. I haven't got quite enough flour, but that would do. A tablespoon of vanilla. Put the flour in the bowl. That's all our measurements done, so I'll put them all together now. One egg. Two eggs. I like the way the eggs look on the flour there. This is a fairly dry cake. There's not a lot of moisture apart from the eggs and the margarine. Got some vanilla. I thought it was going to be a bit of a foul cake because I couldn't find any green, but look, I have some green. Right, so now I'm going to take the spoon, mix it all up. Oh, I'll add some vanilla, yes. Madagascar vanilla. Smells nice. Oh, it's very nice. It's very thick. Natural extract. So I'm going to mix all this up. It's very like I said, it's a very dry mix. But add a little bit of salt too. I've got all these sachets of salt, so I only need a teaspoon of it. Pop that in. So if you get takeaway and stuff like that, sometimes they'll give you loads of salt. That's what we put them aside and keep them for future reference. Right. Well, it looks like I'm going to get my hands into this, but before I do that, I'll get some of this green food dye, which has never been opened before. I'll add a little bit of that. I can see this is potentially going to be rather messy, so I'll take my jacket off, and then I go it should go without saying that you should wash your hands before you start cooking. And of course I've done that. Right, just it's falling out. Looking good so far. Right, get this spoon out and I'll start using my fingers to mix it all up. The original recipe said to put it in a blender. Not so sure. I mean, it can be achieved by doing this anyway. It's much more fun. Right, so I've got some coconut flour, and what I'm going to do is I'll open it up and I'll pop some in just to take some of the moisture out of these, and so they roll, will actually roll. So just start with that and see how it goes. Green food colouring, oh, it's probably a lot more, and a dash more of vanilla extract. Got a sort of a honey-like texture. I like that. I like how it just all ran off the flour there. Right, let's mix this in. Being less cautious now, less conservative with my addition. It's a really lovely coconutty smell too, so it's quite nice. Add some more. Mix it all in. Yeah, feels good. It's the right consistency, so that should be good. Roll it all off. Oh, and I'll pop it in the fridge and I'll come back in about an hour. And as you can see, it's quite good. So I'm not going to use all of it right now, but I'll get a few balls of it and I'll roll them out and then cut them with the cookie cutter. The rolling pin. Oh, sticky bit. And of course I have no more flour. No. I think all these shamrocks are going to just fail miserably, but we'll see what we can do. Ideally you would have baking paper, but I don't have any of that, so what I'm going to do is I'm greasing up a bit of coconut oil and I'm going to put my biscuits on there, my cookies, my shamrocks on the baking tray. Right, I have a baker's dozen of shamrock cookies. I'll put them in the oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes and I'll let you know how they go. As you can see, I cooked up another batch of cookies and yeah, they look alright. Some of them actually have a stalk, a stem, a ray. So, not too bad. And they taste, well, let's just have a look. And break them apart and you can still see that tinge of green left of them. Let's have a taste. Mmm, delicious. These are hot straight out of the oven, so quite warm and really lovely. So there you go, shamrock cookies for St. Patrick's Day.